Hi, I'm Amy Dabbelt. I'm your Norwex independent consultant. I hope you guys are having a great day. Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about cleaning technology devices. If you're like me, you have a lot, whether it's your TVs with the plasma type screen, laptops, kids, school tablets, laptops, computers, all of those things. And they can be a little challenging to clean because we can't use water on them. So I have the Norwex optic scarf. It is really amazing for on the go. It's small, comes in multiple colors. And when I'm on the go and my phone is messy, my glasses, my kids' tablets, whatever we might have with us, this is a great little on the go cloth to remove all of that gunk, to remove fingerprints, bacteria, removes 99% of bacteria from the surfaces. So I love my optic scarf. But the optic scarf can be a little small when you're cleaning and doing a lot of items or like bigger items like a TV. I also would worry for myself, knowing how I am, that I might scratch the screen with a nice clasp that comes with the optic scarves. So Norwex took all of this in mind and developed a tech cloth. The tech cloth is amazing. It's an all-in-one cloth. It does cleaning and polishing. And another feature I really like about it are these little silicone dots. And the silicone dots act as a gripper so it won't slide off your hand when you're using it. So it makes it, and it's a good size. It's almost the size of our window cloth. And if you don't have our window cloth, I think this is 13.7 inches by 13.7. So it's a really good size, fits on your hand nice, and it won't slide off because of those little silicone dots. So I'm gonna clean my TV, and all I do is dry. I just rub it over the surface of the TV, and I'm removing dust, I'm removing fingerprints, I'm removing bacteria, which I love. And I can see that I did get some good stuff on there. I also use the tech cloth on devices like our tablets, and it will remove off the little thing. I always get the little finger button because that's where a lot of bacteria gets trapped. I can use this on my laptop, which I'm on daily, and I clean the outside of my laptop with the tech scarf and also the screen. So hopefully, yeah, this screen's gonna be a little bit dirty. So I'm going to just take the our tech cloth and just gently rub the screen. And again, I wouldn't wanna use water on this screen because that could damage the technology components. And I also get the keys. And while I'm getting the keys, I'm removing any of that bacteria. Now, every once in a while, my youngest son, his little tablet will be a little bit gunked up with food. So what I'll do is I'll gently just put a tiny bit of water on the tech scarf. Let that dry for a minute. And that just gives it a little bit more cleaning power if I have some stuck on food, but it's not enough water to hurt the device. And look how shiny that is. I mean, that is very clean. And then another thing is it comes in a really cute little carrying case, but it's also a functional case. So it's the perfect size for the cloth. I like keeping this in my briefcase, and it keeps the cloth clean. But when I'm not using it to hold on to the cloth, I can use this. It's the perfect size for business cards. So a lot of thought was put into this. It's great for on the go and vacations, especially if you're taking a lot of kids in the car. Great for Father's Day or Mother's Day gifts. This is just one of my favorite cloths that we use, probably because I love computers and technology. So I really get a lot out of this. Plus, I was looking for a solution to clean our TVs because I couldn't use my wet Enviro cloth, and in my window cloth, I needed something that I could use dry. That would do an amazing job. So again, this is our tech cloth, and definitely one of my favorites. I hope you guys have a great day. And how to care for this is really easy. So if it gets a little bit dirty, you just rinse it with water and hang it dry. You could also use the Norwex dish liquid if it's dirty and hang it dry. But if you want to give a good deep cleaning, if the cloth is really soiled, you would just put it in the wash with the rest of your Norwex or on its own, with a filler-free laundry detergent. And we use Norwex here, Norwex laundry detergent. I use a teaspoon per load, and it does an amazing job. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A great Father's Day or Mother's Day gift, and I'll see you soon.